Imagine walking on a beach, leaving a trail of footprints behind. Suddenly, a peculiar rain begins to fall. This isn't ordinary rain. It's a rare phenomenon called footprint erasing rain. This rain contains a unique combination of water droplets and sand particles that perfectly fill in footprints, erasing them as if they never existed. Scientists discovered this in the deserts of Namibia, where the rain's specific mineral content creates this magical effect. It's nature's way of wiping the slate clean. Fascinated? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.